Though you probably overpaid to fly in 2023, don't worry. 2024 will be the year of flying business cheaper than coach and saving big. Why? Corporate travel has yet to return to pre-pandemic levels, causing airlines to slash fares on their best seats before clearing upgrades. If flying in style to Europe or Asia from just $500 round trip plus taxes is of interest, then we have a deal for you. Join Passport Premier by Cyber Monday and save an extra 40% off new subscriptions. Since 2003, Passport Premier has helped thousands of travelers fly business cheaper than coach, and now it's your turn to cash in. American, British Airways, Delta, and United all slashed US Europe business fares to just $500. Examples include Dallas to Paris, LA to Milan, Seattle, London, and Chicago, Zurich. All for just $500 round trip plus taxes, a trend likely to repeat in 2024. Join Passport Premier to capture these fares by Cyber Monday and save 40% off a new subscription using promo code CYBER23. Remember, most flights ultimately fly full, and if you don't buy, somebody else will. Don't delay. Start a new Passport Premier subscription today, and I'll see you up front.